Hi, ma'am. Welcome to Starbucks. What can we get for you today?
Hi, ma'am, can I get me an iced coffee? But can you leave out the cough? And I want extra fee because I'm allergic to chicken.
Yeah, listen, I completely understand, baby. I just divorced my husband.
Oh my, no, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I really did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did it. I did it.
I'm gonna add on an extra iced coffee large with extra cream and sugar with no chicken because I'm allergic to acid.
Yeah, baby, can I get a name for the order?